Good morning from the forge this fine, damp, cool North Carolina morning. Do a few little projects today. I'm going on vacation next week. Today's project's going to be a little something special. My wife's birthday's today. Couldn't actually make this video today, or what I'm going to do wouldn't have been much of a surprise. Been trying to think of what she needed, what I could do for her birthday, and well, you know, when I asked her what she'd like to have, she says, well, I just want to go on vacation. Well, we're fixing to go on vacation anyway because we try to take one a couple times a year. But, you know, when I look through the knife drawer, it's full of junk blades. So today, we're going to forge my wife a paring knife. Probably the most useful knife in the kitchen, one like she'll use all the time. And we're going to see what we can get done. You'll have to pardon my English, it isn't working today. Anyway, thanks for watching. And thanks to my wife for putting up with me and supporting me all this time. Hope you enjoy. Okay, for our starting stop, I've got a piece of 1/4 inch thick 1084 high carbon steel. That's probably about 5 inches long. Let's see what happens. First thing we're going to do is draw out a point, like always, and apparently we have a bug in front of the camera. Want kind of a long drawn out point on this one. Set up our preform for the rest of the forging. Keep everything flat and level. I want to do the handle differently on this one, so I'm going to draw the handle down. I want to make the handle kind of oval or maybe teardrop shaped. We'll see. Start out, just narrow the width a little bit, because as it forges it's going to get wider again. We don't want it too wide. Now we'll draw out for what's going to be the oval end of the handle. Keep it flat. A little more. Now I'm also putting in a little distal taper in that handle. Yeah, looks pretty good. Handle's important on a kitchen knife. There we go. Figure my length out so we can do the blade to handle transition in a minute. But first we need to draw out a little more length on the blade. Yeah, I think we'll do it right about there. And we'll set down for our blade to handle transition. I really need to get a new handle one of these days. This one doesn't have any good sharp corners anymore. Yeah, it's only 150 years old. What do I expect? Anyway, that's looking pretty good. Let's draw out our bevels. Start at the back so we get a nice square heel. Pulling the steel down from the spine toward the edge. And now we'll start working the blade out. And I'm just going to let it curve upward, because as I've done on other blades in the past, you'll see when I hammer a little more taper in, it's going to take some of that curve out. I want a little sweep on the blade. I want it to look different. Not like your usual junk store, cheap stainless steel piece of junk kitchen knife. Make sure everything's flat. Straighten it up. Yep, got to drop everything at least once. Yep, I believe that's going to be pretty dadgum close. Just straighten everything out, make sure all the hammer marks are out, because I don't want to polish this. I want to leave it an as forged finish and just sharpen the edge. And there we are. All hardened up. I edge quenched it so the edge is nice and hard and the spine's going to be soft. That'll do. All right, so hope you enjoyed that little project. I would pick the blade up and show it off a little bit, but it's in the temper oven. So, hope you enjoyed. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button. Stick around for the next one. God bless and have a great day.